Oh.
Okay, this is baby post-feeding, and he's kind of burping it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, there it comes.
Yeah,
And then once he burps, he either feels better. I can avert my eyes, Linda, if you want to. He usually has 1 or 2 burps. And then he either goes to sleep or he wants to eat some more because he just stopped eating just because he had gas.
Oh. You found my cat. You found it.
Okay, I'm going to avert my eyes here. That's the sound of a happy baby. He just needed to take a little burp break, and now he's going back to break fast. He break fast on a not a fake breast. So this is our little pattern. Just feed, wake, burp, feed some more, go to sleep. He's had some nice wake time. His wake time is, you know, he was awake for 8 minutes, which is the longest I've seen him awake and lucid.
He was awake for long parts of today earlier, but not right now.
Did you time it at all?
Over an hour.
Awake and aware for an hour?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was great. He's so cute.
He is really cute. We would love him anyways, but we're really glad he's cute. He's wearing his 3rd cloth diaper now.
He switched over. His umbilical cord's gonna fall off really soon, and we had our postpartum visit with Karen Brown, and that went well. And living the dream.